mine too, bro.
My digestive fluids also wish to relay the messages. La la la! Ooh, I have the hunger. Normal food with.
You're hungry, Father?
Very hungry. Perhaps the candied lasagna, edamame, and the fizzy water were not the best of the ideas. And very much of the hunger. Of the fast foods which gave her the irritable bowel syndrome! And so she wrapped Nick upset. The amount of the dairy consumption caused the tummy troubles.
Oh, I have consumed too much of the cheese.
Ah, yes, mortal.
Meow. I must use the bathroom. Oh, what is happening? The guts. I have the flies of the butter in all 9 of my stomachs.
Don't worry about it, Star.
Actually burn itself out.
Ooh, all of this excitement has worked up quite the appetite. This action has built up quite the appetite.